Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the topic implementation of k-means clustering for customer segmentation. It is one of the popular unsupervised machine learning algorithm to segment customers based on their characteristics and behaviors. It can be segmented on the basis of four types: demographics, geographical, physiographics, and behavioral. We can learn more about this in the next slides. So basically the overview of k-means clustering. It is a vector quantization that partitions n observation into k clusters based on similarity. The number of clusters, the centroids, and the distance metric are the main components of k-means clustering. So where are we going to use this k-means clustering? It is used in customer segmentation, image compression, and detection, among other applications. Preparing the data for k-means clustering. For this, we can use four methods: data collection, like collecting data of customers' purchase history and online behavior; data cleaning. This involves handling the missing values, removing the outliers, and ensuring the data's consistency; feature selection. Identify the most important feature that will drive the clustering process; data normalization. Ensure that all features are on a similar scale to prevent certain features from dominating the clustering. So how do we implement the k-means clustering in Python? First of all, we need to import the necessary libraries. Of course, it is NumPy, Pandas, and skitlearn. Load and pre-process the data. To handle with this k-means clustering, it is more important to handle missing values and the feature scaling needed. The next step is to apply the k-means clustering to fit the model to the data. So the most important step, determining the optimal number of customers. For this, first we are going to see about the elbow method. Plot the within cluster sum of squares, WCSS, for different values of k and look for elbow in the plot to determine the optimal number of customers. Silhouette analysis. For this, each data point is to measure how well it fits into the assigned cluster. The optimal number of clusters is the one with highest average coefficient. Domain knowledge. It is the understanding of the customer base to guide the selection of optimal number of customers. To visualize the cluster, we have two methods: scatter plot and 3D plot. We mostly use the scatter plot. It plots the customer data point and color them based on their cluster assignments. 3D plot is more visually appetizing because it works with high dimensional data. Analyzing the segmented customers. We can analyze the customers through their demographics, purchase behavior, and marketing strategies. Based on the demographics such as their age, income, location, etc. etc. Purchase behavior depends on their purchasing patterns, transaction history, and product preferences. Marketing strategies basically based on personalized recommendation for each customer segmentation. We have come to the end. Conclusion. K-means clustering is a powerful tool for customer segmentation, enabling business to understand and serve their customers. Continuously refining the segmentation model, incorporate new data sources, and monitor the effectiveness of targeted market strategies. Thank you so much.